Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to check electrolytic capacitor with the help of analog multimeter. So set the props according to the tutorial and rotate the rotary switch on X10 range. And now let's check the capacitor. These are the probes. Take the capacitor and first discharge the capacitor with the help of any screwdriver. This capacitor is 47 MFD and 160 volt. Touch the both probes on the capacitor terminals. As you can see, the multimeter needle is showing very little deflection because of the capacitor value is 47 MFD. Let's check once again. Discharge the capacitor once again and touch the both probes to the capacitor terminals. Let's see what will happen. Just see the display of the analog multimeter. The needle is showing very little deflection. This capacitor is working good. And now let's take another capacitor which is 470 microfarad. Discharge the capacitor once again. And now let's touch the both probes to the capacitor terminals and just see what happened. The multimeter needle is going forward and come back to its natural position. That means this capacitor is working properly. Let's check another capacitor which is 1000 MFD. Touch the both probes. Before touching the probes, discharge the capacitor. Discharge once again. Touch the probes. As you can see, the needle is going forward and come back on its natural position. That means this capacitor is working properly. This is another capacitor. Discharge the capacitor and touch the both probes on the both terminals of the capacitor. As you can see, the needle is going forward and come back its natural position. We can interchange the probes, but result will be same. But we have to discharge the capacitor then check. So the result will be same. This capacitor is also good and working properly. So guys, this was the quick tutorial how to check capacitor good or bad with the help of analog multimeter. I hope this video tutorial will definitely help you. If you found this video useful, please like, share the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.